Hey everyone, welcome back and happy 2025. Happy Wednesday in 2025. Happy Wednesday in 20. Okay, guys. So I know I've shared this with you guys already a little bit, but I am doing a challenge where I'm giving one of you guys $500 because I am sort of, well, one, yes, people are like, well, you're doing this because this is your new company. Yeah, I want you guys all to try it. And I also want to give you guys the incentive to try it. Um, I'm doing a blow, not booze challenge. So I know during January, everybody usually likes to go on these little health journeys, but CBD has completely changed my life. Now I'm going to incorporate it and completely cut out the booze. I'm going to sleep better, my anxiety, everything. I just need it for 2025 because I work my ass off. But also, you guys are about to see a total transformation in my face and everything. Just watch. Just watch. I'm just saying. Anyways, we're back to talk about Mauricio Umansky. If you guys want to join the Blow Not Booze Challenge, we officially kick it off January 15th. That gives all of you guys time to buy the product. If you go to theblowcompany.com, you can get 15% off of your purchase. Do it for less than $100 for your chance to win $500. Let's go. Even my phone is saying, let's go. Okay. Here we go. Starting here. Thank you to our girls at Taste of Reality. I saw this and I was a little stressed out. I'm not going to lie. Mauricio Umansky and the agency's request to get the lawsuit over missing PPP loans dismissed. Well, that was denied. Now, the agency and its founder, Mauricio Umansky, have been accused of stealing $3.5 million from American taxpayers. In Touch reported funds from PPP loans were used improperly. But back in August, the estranged husband of Kyle Richards denied the meritless claim of misusing government assistance. The plaintiff, Realtor LLC, fired back at Mauricio and the agency's attempt to dismiss the federal lawsuit filed over payroll protection loans, PPP, obtained during the pandemic. In other words, Mo asked the case to get dropped, but the court said no. Now, the case against Mauricio and the agency. Mauricio and the agency applied for and received 2 payroll protection program and CARES Act loans in the total amount of $3,521,153. Realtor LLC claimed these funds were not needed. This is a case about greed during a national health emergency. Now, defendants do not argue that they engaged in no wrongdoing. Instead, defendants claim that the First Amendment complaint contains insufficient allegations, not on the facts alleged, but only on how Realtor LLC came to realize the facts. But defendants' entire motion is based not on the assertion that the plaintiff is wrong, rather that Realtor, I think I've been saying this wrong. I think it's Relator LLC, but whatever, does not have direct knowledge of the fraud. In layman's terms, Mauricio's lawyers are arguing there is no proof of fraud, not that there was no fraud committed. Let's just say Relator LLC lawyers argued that Mauricio and the agency had no need for the loans. Business was booming for the real estate company. But Mo's lawyers' response, well, this is what they responded in detail. The plaintiff, Relator LLC makes the suspicious claim that defendants Mo and the agency falsified information and certifications on its applications for Paycheck Protection Program loans in 2020 and 2021. This was performed through the use of guesswork, speculation, and contrived facts. Okay. Mauricio's lawyer continued by saying, the fact that Relator's complaint is an artificial account of facts comes as no surprise. Relator is in no way connected to the defendants. The plaintiff was never employed by defendants, nor is it otherwise affiliated with defendants, and Relator therefore cannot ascertain or know firsthand the facts surrounding the agency's application for PPP loans in the COVID-19 global pandemic. But basically, Mauricio's lawyers argue since Relator has no connections to the agency, they don't know what they're talking about. And his legal team said the lawsuit was full of speculation and absurd assertions. This is not going to be good. So I kind of find that really interesting, though. What they're trying to say is they're not denying, hey, we did something wrong. What they're saying is, well, you wrongfully caught what we were doing. And since you didn't do it the right way, you can't really use that against us. Now, isn't that some shit for the legal system? Like, as long as you commit your fraud the right way, where somebody else can't figure out exactly how you did it, and they can't come up with the shit, then you can get away with it. America. Now, moving on. Don't get mad at the messenger. It ain't me, guys. So, thank you to realityt.com. But this is another good question. People are wanting to know, who is Mauricio Umansky's rumored new love interest, Claudia Kay? Obviously, we know he's enjoying single life amidst his separation from Kyle Richards. And a few months back, he earned headlines for engaging in PDA with actress Nikita Khan. In mid-December, he was photographed with the new love interest and later revealed to be model Claudia Kay. Reportedly, Kyle wasn't thrilled to see the news for a number of reasons. And here's everything that they know about the rumored romance so far. Let me just bring this up in case you guys have not seen it. Thank you to Dumois. Dumois is out here doing the Lord's work. So you can see him right here, kissing here. It's magical. It's Aspen. I'm here with you. I'm just looking. Okay. Now, back to it. Mauricio and Claudia were first seen together in Aspen on Tuesday, December 17th, and this happened to be the same day that Kyle spoke about his apparent midlife crisis on the after show. But according to People magazine, Claudia and Mauricio went on a sushi date. On Wednesday, December 18th, they attended a snow polo match together, and Mauricio and Claudia also went shopping at Kimosabe. So that's two places that are very important to Kyle. For reference, Kimosabe is where she and Morgan Wade ran into Rihanna. But Beverly Hills viewers know that Kyle and Mauricio were in Aspen when the news broke about their separation. Claudia Kay is a Los Angeles-based model represented by One Management LA. And over the years, she modeled for the cover of the Sunday Telegraph Stella magazine, French magazine, and the Glossary. But according to her Instagram, she has over 10 years experience in the fashion industry, and it's not her only creative pursuit. As an actress, she starred in the French movie My Best Part, directed by Garçon Chiffon. And the movie was part of the 2020 Cannes Film Festival, a very prestigious honor. She's also an artist, and while she primarily paints, Claudia also works as a photographer and an art director. And she has a separate Instagram account for her paintings and photographs. So for those curious about the age difference, she is currently 33. He is 54. You guys do the math. But despite the PDA, don't consider this a hard launch of Mauricio's new relationship. A source told Us Weekly that they're not serious. In fact, Mauricio reportedly has no interest in settling down because he likes the single life. He's a happy-go-lucky kind of guy and can't sit still when it comes to dating and traveling right now. He likes his freedom. His ex-flame, Nikita, told Page Six that this is exactly why things didn't work out between them. She claims to have dumped him a week before his outing with Claudia. I wanted a committed, serious relationship, but he's not ready for that right now. And I left because I know what I want and what I deserve. I've accepted that we're on different paths now. I wish him the best, and I'm focused on moving forward and staying true to what I want. But Us Weekly source also claimed that Mauricio and Kyle don't talk about him dating around. In fact, Kyle tries to avoid meeting them. As Kyle said on the after show, I would say this to his face, which I actually have. watching how he's been navigating through this situation, there's been times that I've thought this is giving major midlife crisis vibes. But according to page 6, Kyle is hurt and heartbroken, particularly because of where it all took place. Seeing Mo kiss that woman in Aspen, where he and Kyle have so many memories together as a couple, is especially hurtful. And Kyle and Mo have a family home in Aspen, and they've traveled there countless times with their children. So it's a place that has a lot of meaning to her. It's not the first time, though, that Mo has been photographed kissing somebody else, but this is the first holiday season that they're spending time apart since he got his own place. Now, Kyle spoke about Mo moving out on Beverly Hills and made an awkward visit to his bachelor pad. It's been challenging to see that, and it's just a lot to process. But on Beverly Hills, Kyle expressed how their split could stay amicable. Indeed, the source says that they're navigating this whole situation better than most. However, doesn't mean it's been a cakewalk, and it's just a difficult time for Kyle, and she's still processing a lot of these emotions. Bum, bum, bum. Well, he's still processing Morgan Wade, Kyle. So there you go. I want to hear what you guys think, guys. Pop off in the comment section. If you're not subscribed, get subscribed. Don't forget to hit that notification bell, and we'll see you next time. Love you guys.